The weekly test of the NOweather radio warning alarm will normally be conducted by the National Weather Service on every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If severe weather is occurring or possible, please postpone to the next weather day. The warning alarm is activated for weather warnings and selected watches hazard special non-weather events in the following counties: San Luis Obispo, Santa Barbara, Ventura, and Los Angeles counties, and their adjacent coastal waters.
Weather observations issued at 10 a.m. Southwestern California, Orange County, San Bernardino County, San Diego County, and the coastal waters from Tempatino Point to the Mexican border and out 60 nautical miles, including San Clemente Island. A test signal was broadcasted to test the public warning system. The test is normally conducted between 10 a.m. to noon each Wednesday, weather permitting. The signal was also used to test the activation and emergency readiness of the Skywalk network of radio operators.